So here's a quick look at using iCyte.com for saving web pages as bookmarks or in collaborative project files. So go to iCyte.com and sign up, and the sign up is pretty quick and easy. To get past the home page, you can even go to the upper right and either go to Home or to My View. And in the My View setting, what you will see is a list of the current projects that you have, any tags that you've assigned to particular sites, and any users that are collaborating on your projects. So at the default, you can set up a project which is essentially like a folder or a collection for your sites that you can then add any site references into those particular folders. You can also tag any of your sites as you would your blog posts, and from your list, if you click on any of those tags, your list will automatically be filtered by that particular tag, similar to the project file. So projects are one way to get yourself organized, and then tags would be another way to filter the list. Additionally, in any of the projects that you create, you have the ability to share that project using an RSS feed, which is very handy, or embed code, which is also handy for putting your list into your web page or somehow embedding it somewhere else. It's easy enough to manage your list by adding project managers if you wanted to collaborate, or if you had a student project, group project where students were working on research together. You could have one person create the list and then send an invitation via email to the other members of the group. So if I swing back to my list page, what you'll see is the sites that I have referenced here, and I just picked out two from my website just for example's sake, and they're listed here, and you have options to email, share on any popular social networking sites, embed, and this would be to embed this particular site into some other location, also change, copy, or delete. If you wanted to view the site, you could view it, and what Internet Explorer, at least in particular, would do is split the screen and then show you any materials that you had referenced by highlighting, which I'll show you in just a second. Or you could remove the split, reveal the highlighting, or hide the highlighting, or go to the original source website. So I'm going to go click back a page to get back to my sites list and show you how to create a site from scratch. So the whole concept of iCytes is based on browser plugins. So first you need to download a browser plugin, which is an advantage and also a disadvantage, because you need that browser plugin in order to create sites. So the browser plugin is available for all the major browsers, but I'm using Internet Explorer for this example. And you see up here in the upper left corner, I have Create Site and View Sites. If I click the View Sites, what you'll see is that Internet Explorer will slide out this convenient sidebar that will list all the site projects, any tags, whichever project it belongs to, and a thumbnail sketch. To create a site, all you would need to do is simply browse to the page you wanted to create the site for. In this example, I'm using an article I wrote about Webspiration on our website. You can go up to the toolbar and click Create Site, and what it would do is load the iCyte pop-up window. I could add any additional tags that I needed for that particular post, add any notes like Webspiration, and then click Save. And what you will see in just a couple of seconds as we swing back over to My View and click My View just to refresh that page is that the new site that I just made was automatically added to my list. So I had two before, and there's the third. So additionally, what's kind of cool about this is that if you find an article that you're using for research and you wanted to quote a particular part of it, you could simply highlight the text that you wanted to reference and then create your site. And you see that it changed to green, not only in the body of the text but also in the thumbnail, and add that accordingly to my site. Then you notice in the thumbnail view I've referenced this paragraph in the original article, and that then becomes the note for that particular citation. So iCyte is very easy to use, and it's very user-friendly. If you want to save web pages for the long term and not just bookmarks to pages that might expire, then iCyte is certainly a way to do it. Also, if you're collaborating with students or having students work with each other on creating bodies of research, this might be a great tool for you. So thanks for watching. Enjoy iCyte.com.